Hare Krishna. Gopi Paranadhana Madana Manohar Kaliya Damana Vidhana. कालिया दमन विधाना, जहाँ पे भगवान ने कालिया का दमन किया था. So this place where Krishna had almost killed Kaliya but did not kill Kaliya, where Krishna showered his mercy on Kaliya and the other Nagpatnis. So this is that ghat, Kaliya Ghat, and this is 3 minutes walk from Madan Mohan temple, like on the bank of Yamuna. 3 minutes walk from there. A long back, when Krishna and his friends would play on the bank of Yamuna, so one day the ball went there inside the Yamuna. Now this particular portion of Yamuna was so poisonous because of the presence of Kaliya. Kaliya was staying here. This multi-hooded serpent was extremely poisonous, and he had made his residence here in this part of Yamuna. So it was so poisonous that the birds would fly above Yamuna from this area, and because of the fumes which was produced, the birds would instantly die. If any cow, any goat, any animal, anybody would like sip the water and they would immediately die there. So this was what this place was, this ghat was. And Krishna jumped into the river. And everyone, means the boys, they started shouting, "Oh, Krishna is gone, Krishna is gone." And then this news reaches the Vrindavan main place, and everybody, all the Gopas, the Gopis, Yashoda, Nanda, everybody, they come running to that spot. Yashoda Maiya, she faints because, everybody was very clear, like it is super poisonous place and how can Krishna come out of that place? So they were all so scared. And after a while, they started noticing this absolutely divine, spectacular phenomena where Kaliya had come out with his various hoods, and Krishna, the Nataraj, the best dancer, he was dancing from this hood to the next, to the next, to the next. He was jumping so fast here and there, and the blood started oozing out from the different heads of Kaliya. And he was so poisonous, and this Kaliya actually represents a tendency within us also. This tendency of being malicious about others. Out of envy, we try to think something bad and to harm the other people. So that is represented by Kaliya. And Krishna, so expertly he was dancing there that it appeared that Kaliya would collapse at any moment. Seeing this, all the Nagpatnis, all the wives of Kaliya, now these wives were actually the devotee of Krishna. So they, with folded hands, they started praying to Krishna that please let our husband go. So Krishna granted them. Krishna granted him this extra life, additional life, at the cost that he must leave Yamuna and Vrindavan immediately. So that is the Leela which happened here at Kaliya Ghat. Hare Krishna.